everyone, welcome to caffeinated_crypto. In this video we will discuss about how to keep our crypto safe. But before that, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and help this new tuber. The popularity and surge in prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto assets means that virtual currencies are very prone to attack and is target for hackers who want to take advantage of these valuable assets. When a cryptocurrency account is hacked, investors do not have any recourse legally since the virtual coins are still unregulated by a government entity or central bank. So here I bring you a video dedicated to your cryptocurrency safety. 7 ways to safeguard cryptocurrency which I have learned till date. Number 1. 80-20 approach, use of offline and online wallet. Online wallets, also known as hot wallet as they are connected to internet, have grown in popularity and attract the attention of hackers. Offline or physical wallets, also known as cold wallet, should be used to store the majority of your cryptocurrency, while only keeping a small amount of currency in the online wallet because offline wallet cannot be compromised as it is not connected to the internet. I personally use 80-20 approach, that is 80% of my cryptocurrency is stored in cold wallets and rest 20% in hot wallets. The physical wallet should also be stored in a secure place such as a safe or safety deposit box. Number 2. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Never reuse passwords across your accounts, especially since cryptocurrency services are prime target for hackers. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication whenever possible. A strong password must contain letters, numbers, punctuation marks and must be at least 16 characters long. Number 3. Use reputable cryptocurrency wallets, exchanges, brokerages and mobile apps. Do your own research, aka DYOR, applies everywhere. Before deciding which platforms to use, investors should carefully research each platform's security features to understand how their data will be protected. Using more than one cryptocurrency platform can be safer as long as owners use different, complex passwords for each platform. Since there is no limitation for wallet creation, you can diversify your cryptocurrency investments in multiple wallets. I personally use one wallet for my daily transactions and keep the rest in a separate wallet. Check out the description box to download amazing crypto exchange which I am using too. Number 4. Protect yourself from phishing. So let's first understand what phishing is. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack often used to steal user data, including login credentials and credit card numbers. It occurs when an attacker, masquerading as a trusted entity, dupes a victim into opening an email, instant message, or text messages. Phishing scams via malicious ads and emails are rampant in the cryptocurrency world. Be careful while making crypto transactions and avoid any suspicious and unknown links. In order to protect yourself from phishing, you should install antivirus software not only in your computers, but you must realize that you should do the same with your smartphones and tablets. Make sure your personal device is up to date with the latest virus definitions to defend against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Use a strong antivirus and firewall to improve your device's security to avoid hackers from taking advantage of the weakness by writing code to target the vulnerability. Number 5. Never share your secret key. The secret key is used to validate that the person sending or receiving the digital coins is the owner of the wallet being used. This secret or private key should never be shared. The safest way to store your private key is by using cold storage. This secret or private key should never be shared and is the safest way to store your private key, that is by using cold storage as discussed in the very first point. Number 6. Changing password regularly. Change your passwords like you change your toothbrush regularly. Updating passwords every 3 to 4 months is a vital step in reducing the risk of having your online accounts hacked. Number 7. Don't use wallets hosted by providers, risk of data breach. The wallets hosted by providers are the worst choice because you are allowing them to store your private key on their servers which are totally out of your control. Also, this is the most common choice because it requires the least technical effort out of your control. So, that's all for today's video. Apply these steps in order to safeguard your cryptocurrency now. If you find this video productive, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also follow us on other social handles and don't forget to check the description box. That's all. Your host DJ signing off. Goodbye. Be back soon.